Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says, Kepler's third law states that the square period of evolution t of a planet around the sun is proportional to third power of average distance between planet and the sun. That is t square is equals to k r cube. Here k is constant. If the masses of the sun and the planet are capital M and small m respectively, then as per Newton's law of gravitational force of attraction between them, is F is equals to G mm by r square. Here G is gravitational constant. The relation between G and K is described as. The key concept behind this question is that the gravitational force is required for providing the centripetal force to the planet which is orbiting in circular motion. So we can write the key concept is gravitational force will be equals to centripetal force. Now gravitational force is given as G m over r square, which is also given, and the centripetal force is written as m v square by r, where v is the velocity of the planet revolving around the sun. Okay. Now we will cancel out. So we will get m will cut m, r will r. So G m divided by r is equals to v square. Therefore, v is equals to under the root of G m over r. Okay. Now, let us calculate the time period. अब हम time period निकालते हैं for completing the planet one revolution. So t is equals to 2 pi r over v, where r is the radius. So 2 pi r divided by v, we have calculated under the root of G m over r. Okay, so this is our time period. Now squaring both sides, you will get t square is equals to 4 pi square r square divided by Gm over r. That will come out to be 4 pi square r cube divided by Gm. This is equation number 2. Now, अब हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है that t square is equals to kr cube, and we have find कि t square is equals to 4 pi square r cube divided by gm. Now comparing both equation, you will get k into r cube will be equals to 4 pi square r cube over gm. Okay, so cancel r cube with r cube. Therefore you will get कि k की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 4 pi square over g into m. ओके, नाउ अब इसको gm को आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले जाओ. सो gm into k is equals to 4 pi square. ये हमारा कांस्टेंट आ गया. लेट अस चेक द ऑप्शंस. Option number A is satisfying our answer. So GMK is equals to 4 pi square. Option number A is correct. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck for your future.